Hey, what's going on my friends? Miller Bear here and welcome to my channel. On this video, I'm going to be teaching you the meaning of affiliate marketing. So if you are thinking about getting into affiliate marketing, this is the video for you. And before we get into the topic, on this channel, I'm going to be talking about how to make money online, and we're going to be talking about marketing, motivation, and mindset, because these are the three things that you need to learn in order to be successful online. And if you're interested in the type of videos, I invite you to click the subscribe button down below and click on that notification bell so that you'll be notified on the latest videos that I upload. Alright, so let's get on to the video. So what is affiliate marketing, or affiliate marketing defined? So affiliate marketing is selling other people's product. Like, you don't have to create a product of your own, or you don't have to own your product, but you can recommend other people's product. And when you can sell a product, you will earn a commission. So that's as simple as that. So one example of affiliate marketing is like Amazon, right? So Amazon has an affiliate program. When they have products to sell, right? But if you can recommend, or if you can drive people to buy a product from Amazon, we'll earn a commission from Amazon, and they can give you as much as 3% per product you sell. And another type of affiliate program is that you're selling digital products, right? So digital products has a wide variety of a kind, right? So you can sell courses, you can sell software, you can sell ebooks. So that's how you're gonna make money at selling digital product. What I like about digital product is that because it's digital, there's no inventory, or there's no other expenses involved. And those affiliate marketers out there, they can give you as much as 50% commission on each product that you sell. So that's really huge. So that's what I like about digital products. Another one is, if you're gonna thinking about selling using affiliate marketing in eBay, like in eBay, where you have other physical products, you can earn as much as maybe 5 to 10%. So basing on these categories of affiliate marketing, like if you want to start as affiliate marketer, you can start in Amazon, or digital products, or in eBay. But if you can see here, the payout is really huge if you focus on selling digital products. And that's where I see a lot of people making a huge or a full-time income where they're selling digital products, right? So that is affiliate marketing. So again, it's selling other people's product, and when you sell them, you will earn a commission. Right, so I hope you get value from this video. If you have any questions, just comment on the video down below. And if you need help in your affiliate marketing business or your network marketing business, just feel free to reach out to me, because I love to help you in any way I can. Alright guys, so Miller Brady here, wishing you more health and more wealth. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.